everything's constantly changing in IT. Well, that's where an information system security officer comes in, because our job is to make sure that no matter what changes happen, the organization stays compliant and stays secure at a certain level. It's very challenging, especially if the organization has a lot of different technologies or if it's a very large organization with lots of stuff going on. So let's get back into what actual certifications does this information system security officer need. And I'm going to show you here right now. So let's go back to the 8140. So 8140 up here is an ISO is considered a manager type role. It's a manager type role. You're not just doing in the weeds stuff, fixing computers. You're not just working with firewall. They might have you do some stuff like that, but your time is mostly spent coordinating with the organization to make sure that the organization is doing what they're supposed to do. I said organization. You're talking to C-level execs. You're talking to upper level managers. You're talking to the system administrators. You're talking to users. You're talking to user reps. You might even be talking to the customer. So it's a lot of meetings. That's a manager type role. You got to be able to communicate effectively. So a CAP is a certified authorization professional. So what they do is exactly what I'm talking about. They make sure that the organization can maintain a certain level of authorization so that all of their documentation is good, so that all the security compliance, security controls on their system is good.